So we got to tell Nana what we got here.
Okay. So I'm going to put tomatoes over here. And those are the baby tomatoes that I started growing. All these. And those little guys will come here. And on this side I already put onions. And the rest of them are going to be potatoes. And we have beets. Big beets and baby beets. These are the ones that Lilica and I planted. These little guys. And this is what Jessica already had. Oh, those mess. This is empty. And there are some beets over here too. And Daddy just reminded me I have to cut the tops. And these are potatoes again. See? Potatoes. It's a potato flower. And right there, we have lots of onions. We have scallions and garlic. And we have long onions. So, yep, we have our little garden.
Beautiful. We see you soon, Nana. Toopy, toopy.
Choopy choopy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.